Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can delete a post on Facebook. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put your likes under the video, also write comments after watching, and let's get on with the topic. So friends, now I will show you everything from the beginning. Please open Facebook on your device, then go to your page. Now let's say if you would like to delete a single post. You'd have to scroll down to the bottom and find that one post. Click on the three dots above it at the top. Select Move to Trash and confirm your action. And as you can see, literally in 2 seconds the post is already deleted immediately. But what if you would like to delete more than one post, and you have a lot of them? But such a deletion will take quite a long time. To do that, friends, go back to the top of your page, and then press the three dots. Then the activity log, your Facebook activity. Then scroll down to Posts. Click on the sign next to the word Posts, and select your posts, photos, and videos. And so you'll have a list of all your posts. You can click on All, so you'll mark absolutely all the posts that you have. Or you can manually mark them, let's say. And then at the bottom right, click on the three dots and also click Trash. Then confirm your action by clicking Move to Trash, and then all your posts will be deleted. This is the way, friends, you will be able to delete Facebook posts quickly and easily. I really hope you found this video useful and that it helped you, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes, write comments. Take care.